The only way I make cheese stuffed tandoori chicken meatballs in one pan with masala rice. Let's get into it. I have 3 pounds of the chicken thigh meat. This is with the bone. We will debone it. Let's put this on the side. We will need a food processor for it. Let's start with the onion. We will cube it out, make it into small pieces. First, we are making the ground chicken, tandoori chicken. 6-7 fresh cloves of garlic. 1 jalapeno. Fresh mint. Handful of fresh mint leaves. This smells so good. Let's grab our chicken. If you can get boneless thigh, it's all fine. So I was able to pull out the meat. This is the bone. This is the thigh. Let's make it more small so it's easy for our processor to process this meat. Just these kind of cubes, they go in here. I've deboned. This is the chicken thigh meat. This meat, I left some meat on there. We will make a soup later on with this. Let's create a dry seasoning blend for our delicious tandoori cheese stuffed meatballs. First ingredient goes in our processor. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Let's take ready-made tandoori masala. We will do half tablespoon of it. It will top off the flavor. Fenugreek leaves, half tablespoon. Chili powder, 2 tablespoons. This is Kashmiri chili. This is not super spicy. Cumin powder, 1 tablespoon. Salt, we will do half tablespoon of salt. Let's put a kick in there. Kick is the vibrant color. A 1/4 tablespoon of red food color. Okay, let's blend this. So here we will need, it's a fine paste. Here you go. Let's scoop this out. This will be our delicious tandoori meatball. Batter is ready. Here is the string cheese. Let's take the cheese out, and here you go. So we need cheese in there. Cheese is ready. Batter is ready. Let's put oil in our pan. It was on at medium-high flame. 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Here is oil on the hand. Use oil because it's a sticky texture, right? We don't need this meat to be sticking on our fingers, so this will help. Oil will help. Here goes the cheese in the center, and now make a ball out of it. This is the size. Perfect, easy, done. Here you go, another. Insert the cheese in here. Make sure it's in the center. Here you go, tandoori ball. I'm planning to make 6. Let's see if it becomes 6. Here you go. Tandoori chicken cheese stuffed meatballs are ready. Let's land them in here. Keep rotating it after a minute once you land it, but we'll cook these guys at least for 8 minutes on the medium-high flame. This is 8 minutes later. We have been stir-frying our tandoori meatballs like this. Now it's the time. Let's put them here on the side. And in the same pot, we will build our masala rice. Look at this, just by itself, it's a whole recipe. So for the masala rice, we will take 3 cinnamon sticks, couple of bay leaves, half tablespoon of the turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of the garam masala, half tablespoon of the Chinese salt, 1 tablespoon of the regular salt. Here you go, basmati rice. 1, 2 cups of rice, water, 1.5 cup of the water. Let's give it a mix for the masala rice. taste test the salt and peppers. If you want to add more, you can. Put your stove onto low flame, grab your and land it here. And the last one goes right here. Look at this beauty. It's just 15 minutes away to become the delicious ever rice recipe with the tandoori chicken meatballs. It has the cheese stuffed inside. Give me just 15 minutes on the low flame. It's gonna be like this. 45 minutes later, since we started this process, let's turn off the stove. And here you go. Oh wow. Yes sir. Look at these rice. Masala rice. The cheese is popping out. You can see here, right? Here you go. Let's take this, put it right here. Look at all the way at the base of the pan. Fully roasted. It's even bubbling from the inside out. That's perfect. So let's take the rice out. Some of the mint leaves. Homemade, delicious, one pan, one pot, easy, cheese stuffed tandoori chicken meatballs with masala rice. This is the taste test. All right, so I was just most curious about this, right? So here you go. Let's open and see if the cheese yummy. It's gonna surprise everyone. Let's taste test this. Wow. Super yummy. Delicious. What a tandoori flavor we got in here. Yum. Here you go, the masala rice. This is what we are talking about. Make it easy, simple. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. This is really good. I know that. And the mint on top. Look at this. Yum.